while I asked them, even though they knew that even I made mistakes, they were ready to answer the questions,
Yes.
even though they made mistakes. So that's what I liked in them.
Okay. Did you enjoy the teaching for the next class also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what topic you are going to take the class for them?
Sir, I'm gonna like teach them to make a birthday card using like Instagram post.
Yeah, yeah, fine. So our Aditi has learned Canva class from our region. So nowadays she is going to teach to other school students. So really, I will appreciate her. So I I expect some of you uh, can please help to others to learn something new. Okay, not only Canva, not only Python. So you can teach something. Okay, how many members are ready to teach the classes for other students? Means your juniors. Okay, Janma, good. Deepak, Sharanya. Sharanya, already you are taking the classes now. Yes, wonderful. Okay, Manvit, Pushti. Okay, fine. So if you're interested to me, just text to me after the class. I will assign the topic to you. Like how she is taking, means Aditi, how she is taking, like that you also take the classes for the juniors. So that only you will be becoming a good leader. Okay, and then you can develop your leadership skill. Okay,
Sir,
thank
I'm
you.
not having your personal number.
Okay, it's in the group.
Yeah.
Okay. Saranya, Enika, Saranya is there. Thrisha,
Yes, sir.
yes, please continue.
Okay, sir. So, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sister.
Good evening, sister.
Good evening, sister.
Good evening, sister. Good evening, sister. Good
Are you
evening.
all?
We are fine, sister.
We are fine, sister. What about you?
Good, sister. How about you?
Fine, sister.
About
Asking, even I'm fine. But ignore my voice today. I'm feeling well. So, in today's class, we will recap. So far, what have we have learned? We'll recap all those topics. And in the next class, we'll teach you a new topic. Okay?
okay, sister.
Okay, sister. Okay,
Okay,
sister.
sister.
So, now anyone should say me what are all the topics you have learned so far. Anyone can say.
Sir, can you please repeat again what you told?
You should say me the topics which you have learned already. Still now, which are all the topics you have learned?
Sister, about Canva, we learned.
No need about Canva and all. About Python.
We learnt about some list like a mutable list and all.
Only that much.
And data types
Yeah.
and what else?
Data types. Variables.
Yeah. So you people have learned about list and list, mutable list, immutable list, and so on. And you have learned about appendings and removing and adding those codings and all. And which are the topics you have learned? Only this much. You have learned about how to find area and all, no?
Yes, sister.
Yeah. So did everyone submit your assignments?
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yeah, okay. So Hitaishi,
Yes, sister. Yes, sister.
can you say me what did we learn last class?
Actually, we learned how to add, about append and remove.
Yeah.
And we learned about index,
Yeah.
knew about features of list,
Yeah.
and we learned all about the list.
So what are all the types of list? You have learned, no?
Mutable list. Mutable.
Yeah. Then only mutable list.
Sister, wait, I'm remembering now.
Sister, can you repeat the question?
What are the types of list?
Their list.
Mutable list,
Yeah.
First result.
So you have learned about mutable and immutable list, ordered list, and duplicate value in list, right?
Yes, sister.
Last class you have learned about these three topics, no?
Yes,
yes.
sister.
And about append, then
And
about
remove.
removing.
Remove from, how can we remove that?
What?
Remove means how can we remove the word which I have written?
Were you present last class?
Yes, sister.
Or didn't you learn that in the last class?
Sister, what? I not understand what you are speaking.
Did you didn't you learn the topic last class about
Learnt. Learnt.
so do you want me to teach that once again?
No, sister, I told you teach how to remove the words from. I told that itself.
Yeah, yeah. 1 second. So in today's class, we'll do a small recap of that with all the codes. Okay. I'll ask any one
Thrisha.
of you to say me the code.
Thrisha.
Yes, sir.
Today many
Yes,
members have
sir.
attended classes because last week they attended only 13 or 14 students, but today they are attending more than 25 plus. I think they don't know about the Python. So can you
Yeah,
recap from the previous session classes also today?
yeah.
So from the basic variables, strings, and also what?
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay, just to recap.
Yeah. It's very simple. Um, uh, most of you think that Python is a snake name, but no, it's an inconvenience. But Python is a programming language where you can do websites and you can create many more apps, applications, and etc. So the simple thing is we just use codes in that. That's it. A very simple codes. You have to understand that with some indentation. Indentation in the sense spacing problem. If indentation error in the sense spacing problem, you have to learn how to give proper spaces between the codes. At that time you will get proper output when you give the code in the Python. So in your devices you can download Python. You can go to Play Store and download Python. You'll get a Python app, or else in Google you can search for Google Colab. Then you can log into that Google Colab and start coding in that. It also works
Sister,
similar as, yeah.
we can download PyDrive app also, no?
Yeah, you can download Python app also.
Okay, sister.
You can go to Play Store and search for Python. You will get it.
Yes, sister.
In simple way, you just understand that Python is a programming language. That's it. Okay. So now I'll teach you how to open Google Colab. So who all have not attended the classes, hear it carefully, okay? Let me share my screen. Is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister. Yes, sister.
So you should go to Google and type Google Colab. So Google Colab is a platform where you can do all the codings. And press on this first link named Google Colab. If you have not signed into Google Colab, just sign in that, and you'll get an option here, new notebook. Click on that. And you'll get a page like this where you can do all the codings. Can everyone see this?
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Students, for the new
Yes,
students
sister.
who are attending the today's class, did you understand how to open the Google Colab?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not Inika and others who are attending today's class. Abu Sufyan,
Yes, sir.
did you understand how to open the Google Colab?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, Trisha, continue.
Yeah. So this is very easy. Just you have to go to Google and type Google Colab, and then you will get the first link. Click on that, and then you'll get a page like this. Okay, you can do coding there. If you want one more space for coding, you can just click here. You'll get one more space here. Can you see this?
Yes,
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 sister.
sister.
Yeah. First,
Yes,
let
sis-
me teach you the simple topic, that is variables. Do you know what is variables? Do people know?
Variables is an conductor, means what the name we have been written there.
Let me say you. So variable means it's a container that hold all the values. Okay, just think of something. You think of your water bottle. Okay, your water bottle is a
Sister, can
variable,
you explain from first?
and the water which is put in that is what, Daksha?
Sister, can you explain from first?
About opening Google Colab.
Yeah.
Wait. So for opening Google Colab, go to Google and search for Google Colab.
Okay, sister.
and then click on the first link.
Yeah.
And then click on this option named new notebook. Okay. After you click there, you'll get a page. You'll get a page like this, okay? Where you can do the coding. Can you see this
Okay, thank you,
page?
sister.
Yeah, fine. So here we'll do coding. So what I was saying about is variables, right? Variables
Yes,
is a container. As I said you can think of anything that holds some value or holds something inside that. You can also think about your pouch or geometry box. It will have some pencils or pen inside that, no?
Yes, sister.
And there your pouch or the geometry box is the variable, and the item or the value it holds is the value. Okay,
Okay, sister.
did you understand?
yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes,
Very
sister.
container that holds the value. So here we'll give alphabets. Okay, let's give a.
Okay, sister.
A is a variable. Okay, a is a variable. Then we'll give equals. Then while writing the code, we have to use parenthesis. The brackets are known as parenthesis. And then we have to use double quotes. Inside this, we have to write anything. I'll write water. Okay. And then move to next line and write print. Print should be in the small letters. Okay. After print, you again give a parenthesis. And inside the parenthesis,
Sister, how
type
does
A.
the color scheme?
It's just a system like that. I have used your battery saver mode, so the screen had become dark. So it's showing the color like that.
No, sister, that water alphabet's color.
It changes while we write the code. The system is
Sister,
like that only.
sister, why we take
But
print
in
sister?
few devices, it will not change. What?
Why we take print sister?
Print.
Yes, sister.
Can you repeat me once again? I'm not understanding what you're saying.
Why we take print option, sister?
Then why we take is if we just type A equals water, we'll not get anything. So when we type print A, we'll get the value which is written by A. What?
So print we are using here to get the output. Okay. So A is the variable. A value of is water. Okay. So now we have to know the output. So that's why we have to print A. Print A means, so we'll get the output. So what is A? Okay. Click on run option, Thrisha. Okay. Now we'll get the output water. Okay. That's why we are using the print. To see the output, we are using the print here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now here A is the variable and water is the value that A holds. Okay. And it should be always written inside the brackets. So what are the brackets called in Python?
Parenthesis.
Parenthesis.
Yeah, correct. It's called parenthesis. With parenthesis, we have to also add double quotes. Who is that writing on the board? Yeah. We have written a value water, then print. After print, you have to give a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, you have to write the variable name. So, what is the variable name?
Water.
A.
No.
Water.
Yeah. Variable is A. A is the variable. Before equals is known as the variable, and after equals is known as the value. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Yes,
It
sister.
doesn't mean that for variable you have to take only A. You can take other alphabets also. It's left to you. Let me take
K.
H. Okay, K. K equals. Then what should I write?
Parenthesis.
Yeah.
Government and
Then
apple.
yeah. I will write WeJump. Wait, let me
Yeah.
write this. WeJump. And then I'll give print. So after print, can I give print A?
Yes,
No,
sister.
Please,
sister.
sister.
No, sister.
No, sister. It will give error, sister.
Yeah.
You should
So
give
as we have given
clear.
the as we have given the variable name as K, while writing print also you should use the same thing. You should write K only, not A. If you write A, then you'll get an error. If you have used the variable name as A, then you can give A, or else you have to give with the respective letters there. We got the output as VJump. Can you see that?
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Yeah. So now let's go towards sentence making. Okay. I hope you all have understood this
Yes,
topic,
sister.
very
Yes,
important topic.
sister.
Understand.
Yes, sister.
Everyone understood?
Yes, sister. Yes, sister.
Yeah. So next topic will be sentence making. Simple one. Let us take and give B equals. I'll give my name is. The next I'll give C equals. B equals. My name is Monisha. And next line I'll give print. What will I write here? Any guesses?
A. B
B.
My
plus
name
P.
B plus
B plus
P.
Q.
P.
Yeah,
B.
correct. So while we are making sentence, now I have given two variables. The two variables are B and P. So I want the output in a single line. So how will I get that?
B plus
B
P.
plus P.
If print,
B plus P.
yeah, B plus add B plus P, it will add the two inputs which I have given to the variable and it will make a single output. Okay? Let me try now. Yeah, see, my name is Monisha. So parenthesis is not that much you want. If you will not give the parenthesis also, it will work. But the thing is, you have to give double quotes. So once let us try
Okay.
without double quotes.
It will
See, I
come
have got an
error.
error here. Why I have got an error?
Because you not put double quotes there.
Yeah, correct. I'll not get anything if I not put double quotes. So double quotes are important.
So for B and P, why we didn't take a bracket sister? Parenthesis.
I've given no parenthesis here. Print parenthesis then B plus P.
For variables sister, B and P.
For that it's not needed.
Okay.
It's just a variable. No, it's not needed. But while writing print, you have to use parenthesis, or else you'll get the error. See now I have used the parenthesis there, so I didn't get the error. So I didn't get the output. So if I use parenthesis,
Sister, for up one you took K. For variable K you took parenthesis, sister.
yeah, I took no. I said no, for print, while writing print, you have to write the variable name inside the brackets. It means that inside the parenthesis.
For this, why you didn't take, sister?
For which one?
For B and P, sister.
I'll give a no, see here, yellow color one, parenthesis.
I'm saying, why didn't you give B and P variables,
About double
sister?
quotes.
Sister,
See
he is
here, B and
asking.
P. See, a B and P is the variable, okay? For variables, we don't need to write the quotes while we use print. Only parenthesis. You're talking about double quotes. This one.
No, sister.
Then
For
what?
up one, you for variable K, you VJump is equal to VJump. You took
Yeah.
parenthesis. But why you didn't take for this?
Yeah.
I'm asking that, sister.
If you'll not use parenthesis also, you will get result. That's what I said at the beginning. If
Okay.
you'll not use that parenthesis also, you'll get. But if you don't use double quotes, you'll not get.
Okay, sister.
Did you understand?
Yes, sister.
Yeah, fine. So did everyone understood this? Adding the variables?
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Yes, sister.
You want to teach with one more example?
No, sister.
Yeah, fine. So next we'll give I. We'll give the same. Here we have used. Yeah, repeat. Yeah, fine. So here we have used two variables and we have given print, right? But here we'll use only one variable, okay? I equals double quotes, parenthesis, and my favorite days. Anyone can say your favorite day.
Saturday.
Sunday.
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 Saturday.
Okay.
Saturday.
Yeah, fine. Saturday. Then I'll give print. What will I give here? Which variable name I'll give here?
I.
I. You should
Inside
give
the
first
parenthesis.
parenthesis and you should give I then.
Yeah, correct. Good. Inside the parenthesis, I'll write the variable name I. And then I'll run the code. See, my favorite day is Saturday. Okay?
Okay, sister.
Okay,
Did you understand this?
okay, sister.
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Yes, sister.
Yeah. Did everyone understood these topics?
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
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 So, can anyone say me after these topics, what did you learn? Who have all attended the class? Those people.
Data types.
Yeah. So now we'll learn about data types, okay? So what are all the data types?
Thrisha,
Won't
before that, you can teach them to strings.
Okay, sir.
So there are three types of strings out there. Okay, you can explain them.
Yeah. So now first we learn about integers and float, okay?
Okay, sister.
Okay, sister.
Okay, sister.
Okay, sister.
So we'll learn about integers now. Integers is nothing but numbers. You know, you learn integers in your math, right?
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Sister.
Yes,
So
sister.
what are integers?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, it's like normal numbers. And we'll also learn about float. Okay. Do you know
Okay,
what is
sister.
float? Float is the
Sister,
decimal numbers.
complex.
What?
Complex.
Yeah, we'll learn that later.
Yeah.
So first we'll give NUM number 1. So here first we'll do a small calculation, okay? First small calculation we'll do. And here we'll also use input. Do you know input? What is input?
Yes, sister. What we will give?
It's the information which we give. It's a normal thing. But in Python, input means when we give the code input, we'll get a text box there. You can fill that with any question, and when you get the text box in your outputs, then there you have to type that with given information. I'll teach you now. Okay. Number 1 equals. We'll use int in Python for integer. Int is used. Okay. For while coding, int is used. Okay.
For
Okay,
what?
sister.
So
For
while
what?
coding, what will we use for integer?
Bracket or
Intent.
Yeah. I
INT.
asked that. What will we use for integer in Python?
Intent input.
Yeah,
yes.
after int, then we'll give a parenthesis, okay?
Yes, sister.
Okay, sister.
And then we'll give input. So this is the code which we write for input. After input, we'll give one more parenthesis. And there we'll give again double quotes and we'll give enter the first number. And in the next line, it will be a bit same only. We'll give number 2 equals int, then input. Again, one more parenthesis will give, and then we'll give double quotes. Here we'll give enter the second. And what will we write here?
Print number 1
Sum.
plus number 2.
Sum is equals to number 1 plus number 2.
Yeah, correct.
Yes,
We'll
sister.
write sum. So what is sum? Sum means adding the numbers. Okay.
Okay,
Sum
sister. Okay, sister.
equals number 1 plus number 1 plus number 2. So this is also like variables only, okay? Here number 1 and number 2 are variables. So for doing sum, means for adding the numbers, we have to give number 1 and number 2. And in the next line, I'll type print, then parenthesis, then double quotes. The sum is. Inside the double quotes, I'll write this much. The sum is, and then I'll give a comma. Then I'll write sum. So can anyone say me why I have written sum here? After a comma, why did I write sum?
2D.
Because it
To
should add
add
the.
the number 1 and number 2.
Yeah. So in the first line, we have written that number 1 equals enter the first number, okay? And in the second variable, that is number 2, we have written that enter the second number. So when we'll get a empty box there to fill the answers for that question, in the first box, we'll fill the first number, and in the second box, we'll fill the second number. And as we have given third line, it will do adding. It will add those numbers. Sum equals number 1 plus number 2. And in the fourth line, I have written that print. The sum is. That is a line given there. It will give the sum
Wow.
is. And if I have given the number as 2 plus 2, it will give 4. I have written here sum because sum is the variable here. And only if I write that, the adding will become, or else it will not become. Okay. Let me run the code. See, I've got the empty box here. No. For this purpose, we have to use input. Okay, I'll add 9. Then enter the second number. I'll add 89. Then enter. See, the sum is 98. Is this correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Yes, sister.
Got the answer proper, right? 89 plus 9 equals 98. The answer is appropriate, right? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister, we can.
Yes, sister.
Yeah. So in the same way, I have written here sum. You can make it subtraction or multiplication or division or anything. Let me do here division, okay? So here I change the, I have written sum, but I have changed it to division. Why? Because the variable name which I've given is division. So it should be changed here also, or else you'll get an error, okay?
Okay, sister.
I'll give enter the first number, I'll give 45. And second number, I'll give 5. So answer 9. The answer is 9. So 45 divided by 5 is 9 only, no?
Yes, sister.
Sister.
Yeah, correct. So now, did everyone understood about integers
Yes,
and
sister.
input?
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Sister.
Yeah.
Sister.
Everyone understood, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Yes, sister.
Yeah,
Yes,
next we'll
sister.
learn about floats, okay? This is also same. So while learning float, we will not use the same thing about adding, multiplication and all. We'll write about finding the length and breadth and all. Okay. We'll find the length of rectangle or any other shapes. Okay.
Okay, sister.
Okay, sister.
So here let's first the variable name, as we are going to find about length and all. I'll give length. length equals, then what can I give? I'll give float. Okay, float. Instead of integer, I'm giving float. Okay, then the same thing. A parenthesis, then input. Then we'll give one more parenthesis. Then double quotes. Joseph, can you mute your audio? I'll give enter the length. And next line, I'll give width. Width equals float input, then parenthesis, then double quotes, then enter the width. So by using length and width, what can we find?
We can find the area of that.
Yeah, we can find the area. Area equals. So as we are finding of a rectangle, so what can we write here? How to find the area of rectangle?
Length into width.
Yeah, correct. Area equals length into width. And next line, we'll give print area rectangle is. The next, what should I write?
Area itself.
After a comma, we'll write area. Okay. So in the first line, we have given an input for entering the first number, entering the length, and in second line, we have given an input for entering the width, and the third line explains that it will multiply the length and the width to find what? To find the area of rectangle. And then we'll give print area of rectangle is, then area. Okay, it will multiply the length and the width, and it will give the area of rectangle. So what can I write? What length can I write here?
49, sister. 23.
43.
59. 59.
Okay, 59.
72.
72. So it's a huge one. Yeah, area of rectangle is 4248. You can check it if you want. The answer correct?
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yeah. So did everyone understood about how to use float and integers?
Yes, sister, we understand. Yes,
Others?
sister.
Yes.
Did everyone understand? Only few.
Sir.
Yes, sister.
Understood, sister.
We
Want to explain this once again for any one of you?
No, sister.
No, sister.
No, sister.
Yeah, fine. So this is about integer and float and about using input. So if you want to do anything like this, about if you want to give some values and all for adding, for calculation parts, like that and all, if you have to use input. Okay, Joseph.
Okay, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yeah, okay. Did you understood about the input also?
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Yeah, okay. So next we'll learn about last class, okay? So what did I teach you last class? What did Inika's sister teach you?
About list.
About lists.
Yeah. Wait a minute. So first we have learned about mutable list. No, what is mutable list?
Sister, what?
What is mutable list?
What is mutable list?
Yeah.
Sister, the mutable list means it can change.
Yeah. Mutable list
Yeah.
means we can change the value. After we write the print also, we can change the value and still it will give the proper output. So what are all the examples for mutable list? Nobody knows?
Like add, remove.
Yeah. So yeah, in immutable list, we'll have for adding, we'll also name it as append. We'll use a code named append. Okay, it's spelled as like this: APPEND. Append. Append means adding. Okay. So what
Okay, sister.
is append?
Adding.
Adding.
Yeah.
Excuse me,
And for
sister.
removing, yeah,
What are you writing about which thing?
about removing an object and adding an object to the coding.
Okay, sister.
Yeah. So this was the previous class one, okay? The last class we have taught about this topic and we'll teach you this. Let me give you about append first. Let me take food as a variable, okay? Food equals, here we'll not use parenthesis, okay? Here we'll use this square brackets. We'll use this type of brackets, okay?
Okay, sister.
Okay, sister.
And food, any one of you can say a favorite food. 2, 3 members.
Biryani, dosa, biryani.
Biryani.
Noodles, sister.
Idli.
Noodles.
Pongal.
Yeah, okay. We'll give biryani.
Pongal.
And then next we'll give a, yeah, I'll write, wait. We'll give a comma. And again we'll give a double quotes. And inside that we'll write dosa.
Pani puri.
Chicken noodles.
Gobi.
And we'll give a idli.
मुंह की तरफ
And here we'll give pani. And this much is enough, okay?
Okay, sister.
Okay, sister.
So here we'll write food. We'll use square brackets. And before this, index. Do you know what is index? So index means in Python, as you write always, when you write numbers, you'll always start with 1, 2, no. From 1 you will start. But in Python,
Yes.
we'll start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Yes,
So here,
sister.
so biryani is a different item, dosa is a different item, and idli is a different item, and so on, okay? So biryani comes under number 0, okay?
Okay, sister.
Which is the item 0 means it's biryani. The
Biryani.
first item is dosa. And the second item is idli. And the third item is pani puri. Okay.
Okay, sister.
So here I'll give. Wait a minute, okay. Wait a minute. Sorry, wait. So in this code, now someone doesn't like dosa. So you have to change the name dosa into any of the food item, any other item, okay? You have to change dosa into pongal. So how to do that? So here,
Sister,
dosa
food.
is the which item? It's the first item or
First
second item?
item.
First item.
Yeah,
Item.
you have to type that number here, 1, and then we'll give equals, and then double quotes. So I'll change dosa with which name? I'll change with pongal.
Pongal.
No, pongal, and then print square brackets, then food. So here, as I've given dosa in the first item, when I write food 1 equals pongal, it will change dosa into pongal. Okay,
Okay, sister.
let me run the
Okay,
code.
sister.
Wait a minute.
Sister, in the first line, you should give foods, right? More than one is there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you find any other error also? Yeah, correct.
You
Very
have
good.
given
That's the
square
error there.
For print, you have given square brackets after print.
We should
Yeah.
give normal bracket.
Yeah.
Parenthesis.
Yeah.
Parenthesis.
So you have to
Yeah.
find
Yeah.
the errors also while we are coding, okay?
Okay, sister.
Yeah. So you learned this last class, right? Inika sister taught you that, no?
Yes,
Foods. You have
sister.
to name it as foods.
Yes,
When
sister.
there are more than one item, you have to name it as foods, not just food. Because there are more than one item here, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
So change that everywhere. Yeah. Now the code is proper, and we have got the proper output also. So can everyone see this?
Yes, sister.
Sister.
Here those I
Yes,
changed to
sister.
pongal.
Sister.
So for changing an item, you can use this code. Okay. So just for changing, you have to do. You have to type the variable name with the item at which number it is, and then
Yeah.
write the name which you want to replace it with, and then print variable name. So here, which is the variable here?
Foods.
Foods.
Yeah, foods
Foods.
is the variable. Okay. See here, those I changed into pongal. Did everyone understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Yes, sister.
Yeah. So now we'll learn about adding an item. Let us copy the same code. Same first line. Let us copy. And do anyone have any guesses how to add an item to
Sister,
this?
Sister, I have.
use append.
Append. We should
Yeah.
use puts
Dot append. Dot append.
Yeah. Puts. I'll write
Dot
foot dot
append.
put dot append. Then I'll give a
parenthesis,
parenthesis,
double inverted
double
comma,
quotes, and
and
write. Oh yeah, okay. Puri. And then
print
write print
puts.
puts. So now I want you to find the error. What is the error in this code now?
Sir, you not give.
Square
You give only
brackets.
put there. You should give
Bracket.
puts.
No,
You want to
sir.
give normal
Square
bracket.
brackets. For print.
Yeah, correct.
You
Good.
should give the puts there.
Yeah, and here also you have to use
For
parentheses,
print,
not
we have
square
to give
brackets.
parentheses.
Yeah. So is the code proper now?
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yeah, it is correct. So now for all these 4 items, Puri is added over here. Can you see that here?
Yes, sister. We can
Yes,
see that.
sister.
Yeah. So now in this you have learnt about adding an item and changing an item in the code.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Do anyone have doubts about this?
No, sister.
No, sister.
No,
Sister.
no, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yeah. So in the same way, how to remove an item?
Sister, the same thing. The put dot remove.
Instead of append, we
Parenthesis
should use
double inverted comma. You can remove the items then.
Yeah. Here let me use stationery. And use stationaries equals square
Square bracket.
brackets, then double
double
quotes,
inverted commas.
pencil,
Pen. Eraser.
pen,
Sharpener.
eraser,
Scale.
Pen.
Scale.
Scale.
and scale. Enough. And the next line. And here one more I'll give.
Sharpener.
I'll use whitener, okay.
Yes,
And
sister.
next line I'll give
Stationaries dot remove.
yeah, good. Stationaries dot
Dot
remove.
remove.
After that,
Square. Sorry. Parenthesis double inverted comma. Next, remove the eraser.
okay. So,
Next, print stationery. Print square means what is that? A parenthesis
yeah.
and the
Next,
stationery thing.
yeah.
Stationery.
So now is the code correct now?
Yes, sister.
Is there any
Yes,
error in the
sister.
code?
No, sister.
I want
Sister.
everybody to answer.
No,
No,
sister.
sister.
No,
No,
sister.
No, sister.
I'll run the code now. So here eraser is removed. Okay.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
And did everyone understood these 3 topics here?
Yes,
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 sister.
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 Removing, adding, and changing an item.
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
We understand.
Yes,
Did everyone understood?
We understood,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Yes,
Sister.
sister.
Yeah. Do anyone have doubts about that?
No,
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 sister.
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 No, sister.
Yeah, okay. So next, will you go about ordered list? So what is ordered list?
Means we should write in a order wise.
Yeah, you have to write a code to get that in which order, what in whatever sequence you want in that type. Now I'll give names. Names equals, then I'll give square brackets.
Double
Inside square
inverted comma.
brackets, double inverted commas. Then I'll give Ganavi. Give Janya. And then I'll give and next I'll give Srishti. Srishti. Okay. And next line I'll give print. After print, I want this in a alphabetical order.
Parenthesis Ganavi means square bracket 0.
Parenthesis names, square brackets, 0.
Next,
Yeah.
We should use indexing, sister.
yes, yes.
Yeah, correct. So I'll write your names, and inside the parentheses, I'll use square brackets. And then first, I want wait. I'll give it a reverse alphabetic order. Okay. First, I want Shrishti's name. So here, Ganvi is 0, Janya is 1, Karthik is 2, and Shrishti is 3. Okay. So
Yes,
now
sister.
here I'll give 3 and copy the same code here. And next, I want Karthik's name. So Karthik's number is 2. And I want next Janya's. So Janya's number is 1. And next, I want Ganvi's. So Ganvi's number is 0. That's it. So after this, we'll run the code. See here. So here, while I was giving the coding, I first have written Ganvi, Janya, Karthik, and Srishti. But in the output, I've got first Srishti's name, Karthik's name, and then Janya, and then Ganavi. So in whatever order you want, you can make it. So first, if you want Janya's name, you can make it 1, and here you can make it 0, here 3, and here 2. Here let me give 4. So why did I get the error here?
Sister, because
Because
the
Because
four
4 is
number is
four
not
not
number,
there.
four
valid.
The
number is
name
not
extra
there.
name is
Yeah,
not
the
there.
4 is not
Okay, we
there.
have
But
the
now
value till
freedom
3.
of four, we have to keep two, sister.
Yeah. Now if I add one more now, Hitaishi.
Sister, it will print now.
Yeah.
Print, print.
Yeah, I got it now. So if you give the number which is not there at all, if you give out of range, then you'll not get the output. You'll get an error. So did everyone understood this?
Yes,
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 sister.
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 Yes,
Do
sister.
anyone have doubts?
No,
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 sister.
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 Yeah.
Shoot.
Now, one more thing is there. So what is the last type of list? Duplicate value one.
Duplicate.
No?
Duplicate.
Yeah, correct. So here also, I'll give the same one. What else? Wait, I'll type cars. Cars equals then square brackets, then double quotation. I'll give
BMW. Then
Comma.
Brisa.
Again, I
Lamborghini.
give BMW only. Next,
Benz.
give wait. Brisa.
Tata
And
Sierra.
next line. 3 is enough.
Bugatti.
3 is enough. I'll write print. Then parenthesis. Cars. And square brackets. I'll write 2. Sorry, 1. Then again I'll write print. Cars.
Square bracket 2.
And 0. Yeah, let me change to yeah. Let me run the code now. So here I have given 2 values of the same one. So I have given BMW as 2 values, but still I got the output. So if you enter the same value twice or thrice also, it will not show you any error. Instead, it will give you the output. Okay. Did
Okay,
everyone
sister.
understand this?
Yes, sister.
Yeah. These are
Excuse me,
all
sister.
things. Yeah.
That last one, could you explain one more time?
Yeah. This one, no?
Yes, sister.
Okay. So in this, so can you see here I have written the BMW car name twice here. Once and
Yes,
then next. One more time I have written. 2 times I have written, no?
yes, sister.
And next,
Yes,
if I
sister.
write print,
Yes, sister.
then square brackets, then 1. Then here I'll change it to 0. So the number 1 also contains BMW and the number 0 also contains BMW. Both are same, right?
Yes, sister.
So what do you think? It will type only one time or it will type 2 times also?
2 time also.
Yeah, correct. So that's why it is named as duplicate values one. Okay.
Duplicate. Okay, sister.
I've got it 2 times. BMW, BMW.
Duplicate.
I've got 2 times the value. See here, BMW, BMW.
Okay, sister. Thank you.
You'll get how many times? And whatever times you have written, if you write it thrice or more than thrice also, when you print cars with the number index number which it holds, it will type. It will never give that it's repeated or anything else. It will not show you an error if you have written the code properly.
Okay, sister.
Did you understand?
My sister.
Yeah. So did everyone understood this much?
Yes,
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 sister.
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 Yes,
I
sister.
hope
Yes, sister.
these were all the topics you have learned so far.
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Still, is there any topics left out?
No, sister.
No, sister.
No, sister.
Sister, string and boolean.
Yeah, did everyone understood? String will be taught in the next class. It's already 8:40 today. Which are strings
Okay,
and
sister.
boolean, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 easy topics. Now we'll teach you in the next class.
Okay,
Okay,
sister.
sister.
Okay, sister. Sister.
Did everyone understood still this much? Eh,
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
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 Variables, adding variables, and input, integer, float,
Add,
and the number
remove.
list.
Yes, sister.
Did everyone understood?
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
Do anyone have
Sister.
doubt? If you
No, sister.
No,
have
sister.
any
No,
doubts
sister.
regarding today's
No,
class,
sister.
you can ask me now.
No.
No,
No doubt.
sister.
No one have any doubts?
No,
No,
sister.
sister.
No, sister.
No, sister.
Yeah,
No,
good,
sister.
fine. So I hope everyone have understood this class.
Yes,
Yes,
sister.
sister.
Yes,
We'll
sister.
wind up today's class, okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sister.
And about booleans and strings will be taught you in the next class.
Okay, sister.
And
Okay, sister.
with that, these two are easy topics only. With that, we'll teach you one more new topic in the next class.
Okay, sister.
Okay, sister.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, thank you, Thrisha, for your wonderful teaching. I hope all the students they understood about the Python topic.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Thrisha, please stop your screen sharing. Okay, now you can turn on your video. I will take one pic. Nedish, Shanvi,
1
Sneha,
minute, sir.
Janya, Janya,
1
Sneha,
minute, sir.
Sneha Maria, Janya, Sneha, Shanvi, Hitaisi, Ishani, Monisha, Hitaisi. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you all
Thank you,
of you.
sir. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Good night. Night, sir.
Okay, one thing. So please submit your assignment within 2-3 days. Okay.
What is
Sir, what?
assignment, sir?
Assignment.
is it?
I think Thrisha will be sharing the
Yeah,
group.
yeah.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Good night.
Sister, bye, sister.
Bye, sir.